Yenyini chachi.
But because of this church, they supplied my needs.
I'm not chasing you. She's so scared. I'm not chasing you. Oh my goodness, Lydia, I didn't know you were out here. Oh, you're cooking the food?
Yeah, I have to wash out the bowls and stuff.
Oh, she's scared of me. Oh my god. I'm not gonna chase you. Oh, the dog just ran. Anyway, the last clip you saw was of me in church, but I had to come back because I was really not feeling well. Now I'm gonna have a bit of lunch. I'll show you what I'm having. I'll show you the lunch I'm having. This is it right here. And I also changed back into my pajamas. They say just chilling, which is exactly what I'm doing. Just chilling like a villain. Chilling like a villain. And I'm about to chow down. Raw vegetables, some cooked vegetables, some cassava there. That's called binyewa, also known as G-nut sauce. G-nut sauce. That's some meat, and this is some rice cooked in some kind of, I don't know, it's a bit colored rice. It's like, is it turmeric or curry or something? I don't know, but I'm sure it's going to taste yummy.
This is all my meat.
All your what?
Meat.
It's all yours, okay. I think other people need to eat as well.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, the G-nut sauce is actually one of my favorite Ugandan foods. That with sauteed cabbage and chapatis. Yummy. It's like 2 o'clock, but I'm only just eating because I haven't felt the hunger, and it feels so good to eat. It feels so good.
Then this up.
So it's raining quite heavily outside. There's the jackfruit tree.
So
And we've really got some puddles down there.
mud puddle.
This is what it looks like in heavy rain. It's getting even heavier.
Really much water.
Where we started, ay, where we started, ay. Take you far, the top is open cars.